Friends, here I've soaked 1 cup of moong, washed it really well first under running water, soaked it in 3 cups of water overnight. Then I remove all the water and then again I keep it just like this for another 8 to 10 hours. And then you will see that it sprouts like this. So our sprouts are ready. Now if you want to sprout it even more, you will keep it for one entire day. Then I'm going to place this in a pressure pan and with water around it, a little water in the pan which has the sprouted moong, and we're going to cook it for 1 whistle on high and then simmer it for 10 minutes on low. And then let the cooker cool by itself, and then you'll see that our sprouted moong is cooked just perfect. It is not too mushy, it is not very raw, but just the perfect consistency. So now we have our cooked and sprouted moong all ready for our lovely Goan moong Gathi recipe. So now let's see all the ingredients we require for this delicious moong Gathi recipe. So this of course is our cooked as sprouted moong that I just showed you how we made it. Then I have about 4 to 5 dried red chillies, Kashmiri chillies. I just have taken out the stem. Then we have over here 1 tablespoon of dhania seeds or coriander seeds. This is a small piece of nutmeg, 1 star anise, some 8 cloves, 6 cloves, 8 peppercorns, and half an inch of cinnamon. We are going to be dry roasting these spices. Then I require about half a cup of freshly grated coconut. So we're going to make a paste. We're not going to dry roast the coconut, but we're going to add the coconut and make a paste. Then we have 1 inch of tamarind and about 1 tablespoon of jaggery or ghul, salt to taste, 1 green chilli, light green chilli, some few curry leaves, and some coriander for garnishing. Then I require half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, haldi, and hinga or asafoetida. So just a few ingredients. So like I said, we're going to be dry roasting the spices. So roast them on a low to medium flame. Don't burn the spices. Just gently roast them till you get the lovely aroma of all the spices. Then just switch off the flame, let it cool down completely. And then we're going to add this to our mixer jar. And I'm going to add the coconut, a little bit of water, and we're going to grind it to a paste like this and reserve the masala water. Now heat a pan and add just 1 teaspoon of oil. We're not going to use a lot of oil for this recipe. 1 teaspoon. Now once your oil is hot, we're going to add the green chilli. There is just 1 green chilli that I've cut into 4. And we're going to fry this green chilli really well. Then we're going to add just half the quantity of the curry leaves. I'm going to keep the other half for the tempering. So fry the curry leaves also really well. Now we're going to add our cooked sprouted moong. Mix everything nicely together. Now we're going to add the haldi powder or the turmeric powder. Next, we're going to add some salt to taste. We're going to add the tamarind and the jaggery or ghul. Mix everything well together. We want the jaggery to also melt. You can also use sugar if you don't have that at home. Now add the ground paste. Mix everything really nicely together. And now we're going to add the masala water. You can add as much or as little as you want. If you want a thicker gravy, then add little less of the water. If you want a little more watery gravy, then add a little more water. Let this simmer or come to a gentle boil for about 2 minutes on a low to medium heat. Now we'll add the coriander leaves. And now we're going to mix everything and just turn off the heat. Now here I've taken a tempering pan. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add my curry leaves. Turn off the heat and then add your asafoetida or hinga. And now we're going to pour this tempering evenly over our gathi. Now mix everything well and our lovely recipe is all ready to eat. I love having this with some lovely hot steamed rice. You can have it with even pav or bread or chapatis, puris, the choice is yours. So here you can see I've taken my lovely rice which is cooked and this Gathi, and it's a complete meal. Enjoy it, friends.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.